So I have a Python project here in my PyCharm. Now let's see how we can create a virtual environment that is specific to this project and how we can install dependencies in that virtual environment. So first, hover over here in your bottom right corner and it will show you the current Python being used. Click on this and click on add new interpreter. Click on add local interpreter, and from here it gives us a bunch of options to help us create environments. So we will choose virtual environment because this is the default one that comes with Python, and we will click on new if it is not already selected, and we will give a name or a path where we will install our virtual environment. So you can name it anything you want, and then we use a base Python installation. So this is the Python installation that is in our system. So we can use any of these to create a virtual environment. So if we use Python 3.9, the virtual environment will have Python 3.9. If we use Python 3.12, the virtual environment will have Python 3.12. Now I am being shown two because I have installed two Python versions in my system. If you want to see how, you can check the link in the description below. And let's say we want to create virtual environment with Python 3.9, so I'll choose that, and I can choose to click inherit global side packages. So if I click this, everything that is installed in my global Python version, any package like NumPy, Pandas or TensorFlow will also be inherited to this virtual environment that I'm just creating for my project. So I'll just unclick this for now because I don't want to inherit anything. I want to install new packages for this. So click OK now. And as you can see, virtual environment is being created. So here a new folder is created called .venv, and we have our Python and libraries inside this folder. And for now, this virtual environment can be used as our Python interpreter for this project. So after the virtual environment is created, now you can choose this virtual environment by clicking this here again and clicking on this, that is the virtual environment that we have inside our Python project. Click on this, and now we will use this virtual environment. After doing this, you can click on this, and as you can see, .venv is shown here. That means that this venv is being selected. From here you can now install any package by doing this. Instead of NumPy, you can choose your own package here and it will be installed in this virtual environment. Let me know if you have any questions.